You know that story with the girls whose photos were turned into fake porn? A lot of people checking that out online. Now, a mom in New Jersey is sharing her daughter's experience. Dorota Mani says artificial intelligence was used to make pornographic images of her 14-year-old daughter and some of her classmates. Mani's daughter learned about the AI photos last month from the school. The pictures were reportedly created over the summer. The school launched an investigation. There was a police report filed. Now Mani's daughter is asking for legal protection against AI from President Biden. And joining us right now is Mom. We're really grateful that you're speaking out. Did it take a lot for you to decide that you would speak out publicly about this?
Good morning. No, not really. My daughter came and asked me for help and said that, she needs her voice to be heard and I need to help her. I didn't think twice. I said, let's go, girlfriend, whatever you need. I'm here to support you.
What was your first thought? I mean, when we all saw it, the first thought we all had was just shock. That somebody, we imagined ourselves in high school, 14, 15, 16 years old, and if it happened to us.
Absolutely. I think it's a learning lesson that it can happen to anyone by anyone. My initial feeling was shock as well. Then it was disbelief and just disappointment in how the school has handled this situation, pretending that nothing has happened. So right now, my daughter is fighting to be heard, to bring justice to what has happened, but most importantly, making sure that we can make a difference with the platform we were given right now. So she's gaining control by creating a website under Alessandra Kellerman's non-for-profit educating AI victims as well as just children or anybody who's interested on the dangers and how to self-advocate for themselves, how to help themselves. She did reach out to President Biden. She actually wrote a letter. She mailed it. So we don't know when it's going to reach President Biden. But yes, she says we need to do something to make sure that children of America are safe as well. Wall Street Journal presented information that only 4 states have legislation in place.
In regards to AI, legislation for AI?
Correct.
But I want to know, when people say, obviously this is not something we want anybody we know to go through, but what's the difference between the AI generated images and somebody, again, being cruel, taking images of your daughter and copying, pasting different body parts from like a magazine and putting it out there? Is there any difference?
I think it's just the language. But we all know that legally it needs to be put in place in the form of legislation. So that's what we're advocating for right now. And we are really fortunate to have Senator Bramnick behind our back. He said he will help Francesca push the existing laws that are right now on the table in New Jersey, making sure our children are safe. And then hopefully other governors will join with the help of President Biden.
Dorota,
if he reads the letter.
One quick question for you. In terms of what the school did, you said you aren't happy with what they've done. They've acted like nothing's happened. I know the pictures are deleted according to the school administration, and they are working on safeguards to make sure this doesn't happen again. What did they tell you they would do?
Investigation. But nothing has been done in terms of accountability. I definitely would like to advocate for putting AI policies in place immediately, not only in our school, but in the district. Hopefully the whole New Jersey, and just looking at your own policies in regards to cyber harassment and code of conduct, right? It's extremely important that we follow what we put in writing.
How's your daughter doing today?
She's great. She's actually having breakfast and being ready to go to school.
Okay, and going to school, it's not hard for her, it's not challenging for her, she feels comfortable?
Not at all. We have such a wonderful community here in Westfield. It's an incident that we're dealing with and making sure it's not going to happen to nobody else, none of our children, because it can happen to boys and girls.
Oh, yeah.
She has a great support from, friends, boys and girls who are calling her, texting her, walking her home. So we've been nothing but supported.
Well, that's a very, very comforting thing to know. Dorota Mani, thank you so much for being with us. We appreciate your time.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.